the students, especially now the younger generation, wanted to do the startups instead of just focusing only on the IT or other thing. They should also get into the deep tech where it is involved realizing the complete product actually. So unless we break that barrier, so we will be always end up as a service
Follower.
providers to the
Yeah.
this one.
So now that you have mentioned about the students' interest also, if you see most of the students, almost major percent of the students, they are willing to go into the CSC field or IT, and very few are coming into these
Actual engineering.
Yeah, do you think this is the actual scenario that is happening?
That is
It is happening because there are very few students are getting an opportunities. So the Indian ecosystem, though there is a good amount of manufacturing in terms of the thanks to DRDO, ISRO, there is a lot of electronics companies actually evolved within Hyderabad, Bangalore, even other parts of the India. But still there are very few companies which can actually absorb the compared to the IT actually.
Yes. Since the market is high in that, the students are also interested to go in that field.
Because finally they need to get a job.
Yes. So if the market size is bigger, if we are
Definitely
able
they'll
to
get
increase the
interest.
market size of this deep tech, then the students will also be obviously interested in coming into this, entering into.
So that is where the student thinking should start now. How do they create a jobs? So instead of just being a job.
Yeah, instead of going into service sector, if we are we are also concentrating
on the products,
right? Then students should also, as you mentioned, they should also think in coming into this creating job market,
their own product.
Own products. And
one more thing here I want to mention: to develop a strong ecosystem, we need to have the raw materials also.
Yes.
You know, in semiconductor fabrication, purity of the material is very important, and that much purity of the material is not available here. So there also we should concentrate on getting different chemicals with that purity. That is very important. So that is also one of the scope means where people can start.
Yes, every gap, maybe as you mentioned, one chemical, if we do not know, there is a scope for one company to get established in that.
Absolutely.
So every gap can create every separate company or separate domain here in India. Since we are in the very earlier stage, so there will be so many gaps, which means there are so many opportunities to build new companies.
Yes.